Hi guys, welcome to channel. Now we are finding the beautiful numbers. Wow, one, very nice, very nice. Then number 2, wow, so good, so good. Number 3, wow, amazing, amazing. Then 4, wow, so good, so good. 5, wow, very nice. Then number 6, wow, so good, so good. Number 7, wow, very nice. Number 8, wow, amazing, amazing. Number 9, wow, so good, so good. Number 10, wow, very nice. Then equality symbol, wow, very nice. Wow, subtraction symbol, very nice. Then at symbol, wow, so good, so good. Then plus symbol, wow, very nice. Then multiply, wow, very nice. Division symbol, wow, so good, so good. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.